Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a negative balance on PayPal. A negative balance means you owe money to PayPal, which can happen for several reasons, like a refund being issued when you don't have sufficient funds or a chargeback. It's crucial to address this issue quickly to prevent any restrictions on your account. We'll go over the steps to identify the problem and get your account back in good standing, ensuring smooth transactions moving forward. First, you need to identify the negative balance. Simply log in to your PayPal account, and your current balance will be prominently displayed. If it's negative, take a moment to review your recent transaction history. This will often reveal the specific transaction or event that caused the deficit. Also, keep an eye on your email for any communications from PayPal, as they usually send notifications explaining the situation and guiding you on the next steps. To resolve a negative balance, the most straightforward method is to add funds to your PayPal account. You can do this easily by linking a bank account or a debit or credit card and initiating a transfer. Sometimes, PayPal might even automatically attempt to deduct the outstanding amount from your linked payment method. If you suspect the negative balance is an error or an unauthorized transaction, it's best to contact PayPal customer service immediately for assistance and investigation. It's vital to understand the implications of not resolving a negative balance. Leaving it unaddressed can lead to severe account restrictions or even the permanent closure of your PayPal account. Furthermore, PayPal may initiate collection efforts to recover the outstanding funds. To prevent future issues, make it a habit to regularly monitor your account balance and transaction history. Being proactive ensures your PayPal account remains in good standing for all your online transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.